Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to log into MySQL if you are using the free version of MAMP. So I have MAMP pulled up and I have the servers started. First I will open up the terminal. So we'll do CD. You'll just want to confirm that this is where everything is installed. This is the default installation, but the way we can confirm that is go to Applications, go to MAMP, Library, and Bin. So that's perfect. Now we can log into MySQL. So I'll just type MySQL, user root, password root. And now we are logged into MySQL. So great. Now we want to show the databases. We can go ahead and connect to a database. So I'm going to connect to AJH version 3. And then I can say show tables. And now we can show all of the tables. So I want to show you one more thing that you can do. When you work with WordPress, you need to make sure that the relative URLs are working. The way you do that is by making sure the home and the site URL are set correctly in the database. There are 3 ways to check and make sure it's set. The first way is to check the option value in the WP options table. And we can see here that the option value is the URL that we typed in. Next, we can check the option names. And next, if you know the option ID, you can check that way as well. So here we showed you 3 ways to check your home or site URL. Now, if the home or the site URL is wrong, we can also update that. And the way we do that is with an update command. And I'm going to change the value to just AJH. And I'm going to do it using the option name. And now if I go back to check the site URL, you can see that the option value has changed. Now I actually want to change it back because that is not the URL of my local environment. So I will change it back. And now I'll check the value again, and you can see that we've changed it back. So 3 really easy ways to check the home or the site URL, and a really easy way to change the value if you need to. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!